Remove the GSD pole from the AWTT kit and set aside. Remove the GSD adapter and insert the GSD pole until the pin locks into place. Once both items are attached, you can now remove the disposable bags, hazard bag, small magnets, and 1-ounce sample cups from the Go bag in the AWTT kit. To begin sample collection, wrap GSD adapter with the disposable bag, ensuring no tears or rips. Next, put a small magnet into the 1-ounce sample cup and place into the holder of the GSD adapter. In the adapter is a magnet that will lock sample cup into place for collection. For the following sections, put on PPE. Carefully collect the sample and set the 1-ounce cup aside. Properly dispose of the wrap bag by pulling the bag over itself and placing it into a hazard bag, along with another contaminated item. In the testing site, remove and prepare the following utensils for use: both mechanical pipettes, lure lock syringe and lure lock filter attachment, sample tubes, all chemicals and test tube rack. Mix the collected sample well and remove the plunger from the syringe and attach the lure lock filter. Next, pour the recommended volume of the collected sample into the syringe. Reinsert the plunger and slowly push the sample through the filter, disposing of the liquid into a waste receptacle. Detach filter and place on the test tube rack to avoid cross-contamination. Remove the plunger from the syringe and continue the process until the entire volume of the sample has been filtered. Record the final volume of the sample that was filtered. To dry the filter, remove the filter and plunger, reinserting the plunger to draw up 10 ml of air and reattaching the filter to push the air through into the waste receptacle. Detach the filter and place it on a clean surface. Now loosen the cap of the preservation buffer tube and begin to open the filter by unscrewing and removing the locking ring. For the next steps, grab the preservation buffer, a tube, 1001000 microliter mechanical pipette, the filter, forceps, and test tube rack. The mechanical pipette has 2 stops. The first stop is partially pressed down, and the second stop is completely pressed down. To draw up liquid, push down to first stop, insert in liquid, release button, then to dispense liquid push button all the way down to second stop. Open the preservation buffer pack and retrieve the tube. Using sterile forceps, gently pinch the filter membrane and fold it in half so that both sides are touching each other. Be careful to avoid touching the center of the membrane and keeping the membrane on the filter cap. Keep folding the membrane, avoiding the center, until it can fit in the preservation buffer, a tube. Add 1,500 microliters of nuclease-free water into the preservation buffer a tube. Add in 1,000 microliters, then another 500 microliters after adjusting the pipette and close the tube tightly and shake vigorously for 30 seconds until sample is rehydrated. Label sample and place it on the test tube rack and repeat the process for each sample.